Okay, the next thing I want to do is show you how to schedule a call for the future. All right, so let me jump in and share my screen like I did last time. All right, so now we are looking at our phone. I want to schedule a call with test three, but I don't want to, like, if I could click on it right now and I could start a call right now with test three to do like online right now, but that's not what I want to show you in this video. So instead, I'm going to click on start or schedule a call now. I need to pick a scenario. It could be one of the public scenarios that we've got, or it could be one of my individual scenarios, or it could be one of the books. But for now, I'm going to go to public scenarios, and I'm going to say I would like to practice accent marks, right? So now, remember, always there's three things you need for a call: what you're going to practice, who you're going to practice with, and when you're going to practice. And that's what we're going through. So I accept and save this scenario. Now I have specified what I'm going to practice. Now, for this particular user, I only have one friend, which is phone test three. All right, well, that's convenient. So you might see a whole list of friends here, but we're going to click on phone test three, and I could make the call again right now, but that's not what I want to do. I want to schedule the call for a future time. And that's how simple it is. You just click on schedule call and it's saying, well, okay, specify the date and the time, right? So let's say that we want to do it not today, but on Thursday, and not at 1:05 p.m., but let's do it at 4 p.m. Okay, so now we have specified the date, the time, the person, and we can send an invite. All right, now watch what happens on the phone. So what just happened is a notification popped up for test three on the phone. And if test three is going to accept the call, right, then now on the phone, they also have access to all of these scenarios, and they may or may not also have your scenarios or private scenarios, right? So we're just going to click this one, schedule a meeting, and we're going to say accept and save this scenario. Now, when we do that, now on both screens, on the phone screen right here in the middle, you see that test three has something scheduled for Thursday, July 2nd at 4 p.m. And you can see that Scott has something scheduled for Thursday, July 2nd at 4 p.m. They happen to be in the same time zone, all right? If they want to, either one of them could change the time, either one of them could cancel the call. But basically, the two people just need to be available and in connect Thursday at 4 p.m., and then it will start the call for them because they have specified those three things. It is that simple to start a new call. All right, that's it for this video, and we will go on to the next one.